Hi, I had a bunch of small adapters which I didn't want to lose and just needed them to be organised basically. I found a very low cost set of steel cutters on AliExpress. They might originally be intended for leather. There are many shapes and sizes, and this pack has 52 of them, and one just needs to explore a little bit to see which ones are fit for the task at hand. There's some asymmetrical shapes, as you can see, and also lots of circular, oval, square and rectangular ones too. If you have small items to store of the order of a few tens of millimetres in dimension, then this kit will be useful, I think. Theoretically, you could also DIY custom shapes. The metal is called rule die steel, and if you route a narrow groove into a piece of wood to the desired shape, then the steel can be bent and pushed in and then glued into that groove. There are also various firms offering services for getting custom cutters made. For the material, I used 4mm thick EVA foam, which is what flip-flops are made of. It is also called craft foam. It's a breeze to cut out to shape. I think you're supposed to use a press or even a vise, but for now I decided to do it crudely, using a block of hardwood with slots cut into it. You'll also need softer wood for supporting the material on the other side. You can see what I'm doing here, just simply pushing it into the foam. You'll need quite a bit of force, and I'm slightly rocking the cutter to push it in as far as it goes. You've got to do this carefully since the cutter is sharp. It is definitely worth considering a press, I think. The result is a clean cut. There are small pen and pill boxes available from Muji, so that's an option. They are low cost. I decided to use one of their pen cases. Here's the finished result with printed instructions. All the parts are stored snugly and they don't accidentally fall out. This box was great because it has space for some ancillary parts like wrenches too, and other minor bits which I know I'll need when using these adapters. Here's another box I made up for storing my thermal camera. And that's it. This video was very short, but I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching.